Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the Anubhav Mains 2024, which is a very comprehensive guide to master the UPSC main examination. After the success of our Anubhav Prelims 2024, in which more than 40,000 students had appeared and benefited, now we have come up with Anubhav Mains 2024, which is very meticulously crafted and designed to know the needs of our aspirants, to understand what tools are essential for them and how we can guide them to excel in the mains examination. From rigorous test series to one-on-one mentorship, it covers everything. So let's just know more about the Anubhav tests. Now coming to the key offerings of this program. So we'll start the test at 9 a.m. same like our UPSC examination, and you can come to the center at least 15 minutes before if you're giving the test offline, and if you're going for the online test, then your test would be uploaded by 9 a.m. So you can attempt your test online at 9 a.m. For the solutions, we'll be uploading the solutions by 5 p.m. the next day, and this would be in soft copy. So it would be uploaded on our portal, and from there you can download the solutions. For evaluation, we have a team of experts who would be evaluating your answer booklets, and that would be done within 96 hours. So that means within 4 days from the submission date, your copies would be evaluated by our experts and they would be giving very detailed feedback for your answers. For the mentorship, you can either come to our center at Karol Bagh, or you can even go for online one-to-one mentorship. So you'll have to raise the ticket on our portal, and within 48 hours, we'll be connecting you to our mentors for their expert advice. For the mode, you can either avail the tests in online mode, or you can avail the test in offline mode, or you can even opt for hybrid mode. So for hybrid mode, in case if you give first 2 tests offline, the remaining test you can attempt also in online mode. So that is your hybrid mode. So we have the facility as per your learning style. You can opt for online, offline or hybrid mode. And throughout this entire course, all the resources would be available on our student portal. So that is right from the solutions to your evaluated copies, to tracking your performance and analysis, everything would be through our Next IS student portal. Now coming to the exam schedule, date and time. So same like UPSC, we'll be starting with the essay paper. This is scheduled on 23rd of August. So we'll start the essay paper at 9 a.m. on 23rd of August, followed by the GS papers. First 2 papers, that is GS paper 1 and 2 would be on 24th of August, and GS paper 3 and GS paper 4 has been scheduled on 25th of August. And like we discussed earlier, you can either go for offline or online tests. Now let's understand how these Anubhav tests are going to boost your preparation. So firstly, we are going to provide you with quality questions. Now these quality questions would be at par with the UPSC standards, right? So we'll be providing you with the quality questions, and we have a team of experts who create these questions, and we take utmost care that we cover the entire GS syllabus. So everything from GS has been covered in all your papers, right? Then we have a robust time-bound copy evaluation. So like I said, within 4 days, and we will definitely be evaluating your answer booklets within 4 days, and your answer booklets would be uploaded on our portal. Then we are providing you with one-to-one mentorship support. So if you have any queries, or if you want to refine or improve your answer writing skills, you can take the help of our mentors. Now this program, the entire program has been designed and executed by the same team of experts who have earlier worked for our mains test series also. And then we have the advanced analytics. You'll be experiencing advanced analytics on our portal, because we'll be providing you with performance tracking and analysis through our student portal. We are providing you with the solutions for all the GS papers. So you can anytime after the examination by 5 p.m. next day, you can download the solutions. Now, if you go for the Anubhav evaluated tests, so that means our team of experts would be evaluating, giving you detailed feedback. So that would be for 2,000 rupees, which includes your GST as well, right? And if you go for the self-evaluated tests, then you can attend the test, compare it with the solutions that we are going to provide you, and accordingly you can improvise and refine your answer writing. So this would cost you only 200 rupees. That includes GST. For offline, we have 5 test centers. You can write your test at our ORN center. You can give your test at our Mukherjee Nagar center. You can even give your test at our Bhopal center, Jaipur center, and we have our Prayagraj center. The addresses and the contact details are also mentioned on our website. So you can just check the address and you can go for the offline test in any of these centers. So do not miss the chance and register yourself today. You just have to log into our website, which is www.nextis.com, or you may even call on our IVR number, which is 808-1300-200. So till then, all the very best, students. Keep learning and keep shining. Thank you so much.